Did you know Qatar was home to a street dance championship winner? Stay tuned. Hi guys, my name is Fariha and welcome to the Weekend Roundup. The Weekend Roundup is where we tell you all the coolest stuff happening in Qatar over the weekend. Want to learn about the cultural aspect of Qatar? Why not check out the Bukhoor mixing workshop by Embrace Doha. Learn the art in a hands-on workshop with authentic ingredients. Did you know dinosaurs have been unleashed at City Center Doha? Check out the different dinosaurs on display and read cool facts about these creatures that once walked the earth. How exciting is this? Looking for something a bit more traditional? Visit the Labor of Love Embroidering Palestinian History exhibition. Explore how the Palestinian Top Tetris has evolved and made its way in society across historical periods of time. We're sure you'll love this exhibition. Want to witness some incredible dance moves? Head over to Mall of Qatar to catch a dance routine by CrewQ, a Qatar-based street dance group and a street dance championship winner that took place in the UK this year. Don't miss the fun! Looking for some cultural representation? Then this is your chance to explore the newly installed flag Plaza, which represents the 119 countries with embassies in Qatar. Be sure to have your phones ready because you're going to be taking a lot of photos. Need a good laugh this weekend? Book your tickets now for the Omar Rib stand-up comedy show where a lineup of Doha's funniest comedians await you. So that's it guys for today's episode of the Weekend Roundup. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to know more about the fun events in Qatar before they happen, do download the Qatar Events application and you'll never miss another event again. Available on Android and iOS, the app is completely free and easy to use. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter and stay up to date with what's happening in and around Qatar. For more details, visit iLoveQatar.net. Happy weekend and salam!